Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Honda Shadow 750 AERO. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2007 Honda Shadow AERO with 32,167 miles passes New Hampshire State Inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with saddlebag mounting racks. The Shadow is reliable, timeless, and efficient, appealing to generations of riders. Powered by a 745cc V-twin engine, the Shadow puts 43 horsepower and 44 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, the Shadow has a fuel range of 120 to 150 miles. It has a 27.6-inch seat height and weighs in at 519 pounds dry. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender and scrapes on the mirror. This bike has an owner's manual, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.